UVIX.
Right. Good morning, everybody. Let's get started. I have a feeling today's going to be a really, really good day. All right. So, starting off, let's look at WLGS. WLGS. Ooh, I like WLGS. Where's my WLGS? There we go. Yeah, I'm liking WLGS. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on start a very, very light position here in WLGS. All right, buying here at 208. And if we can get up to 220, I'm going to add, may add before, but 220 looks like a good add-on. All right, I want to get an alert up here, 220. I'm going to make it 219. Give me some time to jump in. 219, set an alert at 219. All right. GDC. Nothing on GDC yet. All right. JDST, my favorite, JDST. I could see a little pop up on JDST. I'm going to take a light position on JDST. May add the JDST. We can get up to 7. See. MRKR. It has potential to run a little choppy pre-market. All right, we'll keep an eye on that one. We'll keep an eye on that one. Let's see, ARDS. Good volume. That's too cheap. Less than $1. Don't want that. PRBN. That has the potential to do something. TRBN. Heavy buying down here at 129. I'm not ready to buy that yet. I'm going to definitely keep that on the radar. TRBN. I am there. Just don't like the price. Let's look at MARK. MARK. Yeah, keep that on the radar. I'm not ready to do a thing on MARK. LL. All right, I'm going to take a small position on LL. Couple hundred shares. LL. I think the volume could pick up here after the opening. Let's watch LL. I just don't want to go too heavy with LL. But as far as target, I could see 526. Another one at 522. Good enough now for just a quick little pop. Right. UVIX. That's popping up on the radar. I don't see anything on UVIX that I really like. All right, gonna hold off on that. All right, let's take a look at gold. I like gold for a buy. I'm gonna buy some gold. We can get up to 19. Target's gonna be 1984 up here. All right, buy some gold. Look at gold. Yeah, I like gold. 1984 may carry it a little bit longer. We'll see what it does when it hits 1984. All right, got a position on 1984. All right, I am getting a short on the mini Russell. So let's take a look at the mini Russell. Gonna take a short on the mini Russell. All right, short. All right, target on this mini Russell is going to bring me down to 1759. All right, so for those that like to trade the E-mini S&P, I also have a short on the E-mini. Yeah, we're going to look for a target of 41.91. All right, so we have a short mini Russell, a short E-mini S&P, and long the gold. Let's get back to our stocks. Let's do this. All right, WLGS. All right, I'm still on WLGS. Still in my JDST. And also a small position on LL. All right, that's enough. Yeah, Glenn, you're funny. I remind you of a chef. Good morning, John. How are you, sir? Having a good day yesterday, huh? Nice. What are you in this morning, John? What do you have going on? Let's look at MRKR. Yeah, I like MRKR. I could see MRKR up to 210. Nice one. Yeah. 10 cents you made. Yeah, I could see MRKR up to 210. Right now, 190, 198. HF2 for 198. HF1 for $2 even. All right, I'm gonna start a little position on that and get out of that here. A lot of these are gonna probably end up popping here at the opening, so we just have to be patient. Okay, John, so you're driving, you're not in anything, right? Got it, got it, got it. Okay, so we're in MRKR. This could be the one that's going to run here after the opening, so let's watch it. I am in MRKR, bought in at 188. ELTR was a mover the other day. Let's look at that real quick. Maybe an opportunity in that later on. We'll watch that.
IMMX.
All right, so if you're watching us on YouTube, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe.
PYXS.
And if you hit that notification bell as well, you'll be updated on any new videos that we are releasing. Once again, small disclaimer, this is for educational purposes only. Keep in mind, there is a delay here as we go through YouTube. So what you see here is actually about a 10 to 15-second delay. Do not blindly follow me or anybody else for that matter. The key to trading is learning how to trade on your own. Never trade with funds you can't afford to lose. Trading is risky. Be careful. Always start in a simulator before you start trading. Don't trade with real money. Most people do end up losing money, and a lot of it is just a lot of inexperience. So it takes time to become a good trader. So be patient and practice with play money before you ever go live. All right, so we're going to hang tight here and see what happens here. We got less than 30 seconds to go. Looking for possible lower opening here. We have the small down 111. All right, I want to watch this also, this mini Russell. I am coming in short on the mini Russell and the E-mini S&P. All right, so we have the down 139.
ARVL. JWAC. FRLN.
Okay, MRKR starting to move, so let's
SG.
move over to that. GST starting to move. First target.
RAIN.
It'll be around 198 MRKR. All right, we should start getting going here now. MRKR 198 is going to be my first target.
SG.
Down 110. All right, I'm reversing on I'm gonna reverse on the mini Russell. Gonna get out of my short, reverse on the mini Russell. I'll reverse here at 1774. If it comes up to 1774. I'll put that alert in there,
ELEV.
1774. Still short.
FISK.
Hill target is 1759. I'm gonna put a resting order down there. Get out 1759 on the mini Russell. Check on our ES, still short the E-mini S&P. Target 4191 is my target. Still on gold. Still looking at a target of 1984 on gold. All right, still long MRKR, also long LL. LL's already gone through both of my targets. I'm going to go
UVIX.
ahead and pull on LL and take my profit on LL out of LL. JDST
COR.
up a little bit on JDST, but still have a upper target here at $7. MRKR, still waiting on MRKR. Waiting on MRKR, see if we can blast through $2. I'm going to add a little bit on this pullback here on MRKR. And the last one still in WLGS. WLGS not doing too much. How about light 200 shares on WLGS? I'm going to get out of WLGS. Don't like WLGS. Take a small loss, $56. Out of WLGS.
ELEV.
Looks
FISK.
by JDST. All right, let's look at some of these others that were on the radar. LL, we've already gotten out of. PRBN. I'm going to keep an eye on TRVN. What else we have here? MARK.
VIRI.
Don't see any opportunities right now in MARK. I do like it though. Charts look good.
PRSO.
UVIX. No, I'm going to take that off the radar. IMMX looks good. Don't see any entries. Like to see a little bit more volume in there. Tighten up a little bit more on that spread.
PRSO.
And GDC, that's a leftover from the other day. Too big of a spread, not enough volume. Just going to take it off completely.
PRSO.
All right, I'm gonna have to keep an eye here on MRKR because I did add on to MRKR. So first position on MRKR came in at 188. I added again at 180. No, I'm sorry, 181.
FRLN.
We can get up to 190. If we can get through that 190, I think we're gonna run. I see 190.
ACHV.
Gotta blast through 190.
Profit target hit.
Give these sellers. All right, so out of gold, gold just hit target. All right, out of our long gold, we hit target. Still short on the mini Russell. I'll reverse if it hits 1774. Still short on the E-mini S&P. Again, E-mini S&P is against me a little bit. Still looking for a target of 41.91.
IMMX.
They have a possible short coming up on natural gas, but we've got a ways to go before that hits. All right, mini Russell getting a little bit closer to our target. Working its way down. Now still down 137. CEA.
PRSO.
Lynn, I did not reverse. I'm still short on RTY. Almost reversed.
VIRI. AEHL.
OCEA. Let's look at OCEA. Yeah, OCEA I think is going. It's going to come down a little bit more. OCEA, I'm getting some mixed signals. I have some longer term showing up. But most of my Most of my patterns are pointing down, so I don't want to touch OCEA. TRBN
VIRI.
still coming down. I can see TRBN down to about 116, 117.
VIRI. PRSO.
Profit target hit. Okay, so we hit target on the mini Russell, so we're out of the mini Russell.
HIBS.
All right, so we're still short the E-mini S&P. Let's check on E-mini S&P. Still looking for 41.91 on the E-mini S&P. Okay, MRKR, I've got to manage this. It's going against me. MRKR. I'm going to be watching MRKR around this 170. See if we can't hold down here. If we can't hold down here, I'll go ahead and get out of this MRKR. It is not working out. JDST. JDST is not going to be a slow mover. I'm still long JDST. Very quiet on JDST. bit further. And there's just no volume out there right now on JDST. Still over a million shares sold today. Good spread. Penny spread on the bid ask. And just no activity. Very quiet. I think this thing's going to end up probably pulling back a little bit, but I want to watch it. Not getting out of JDST quite yet. Still in MRKR, watching that 170 area. I'm not liking it. If it goes below 170, I'm going to get out.
FRLN.
OCEA, no, nothing on OCA. Hit some targets earlier, but I don't see an opportunity on OCA.
HIBS.
IMMX was another one we were watching this morning. Volume was just too light. IMMX. Look at TRVN. I was expecting a pullback. Yeah, I still think TRVN is going to pull back a little bit further here. Probably once again down to 115, 114, somewhere in this area. Played a little bit of LL today. We're out of LL after it hit my 2 levels. Oh, what else have we played? It played WLGS. Took a loss on WLGS. Still nothing on JDST. I think JDST is going to start heating up a little bit later, but right now there's nothing on JDST. It's frozen. All right, so we're still on JDST. Not sure about MRKR. Still on MRKR. Okay, so I am now getting a short on natural gas. I want to take a look at natural gas. Natural gas is also one of my favorites, so I am going to go short on a natural gas. Okay, so this is going to be an HF3 short on natural gas. And I'm looking at a target down here at 22.90, 22.95.
Profit target hit.
22.95 is going to be my target. All right, 22.95 is going to be my target. All right. $22.95.
PRSO.
All right, so we're short the natural gas. E-mini is still short. Let's look at that real quick here. We're coming up on the top of the hour. Still looking for a target of 41.91.
PRSO.
So I've got natural gas short, ES short. May have to get out of this MRKS. Let's go back and let's look at that. It's getting close to 170.
PRSO.
We're at 172. Still think we're gonna pop, but if we hit 170, I'm gonna get out and then
PRSO.
maybe try to reestablish if we can come down to around this 150, 160 area.
PRSO.
All right, so that's putting us at the top of the hour, folks. That's going to wrap it up for today. We'll continue on in our live trading room. We'll start introducing some Forex. We're going to start looking at some of these Forex pairs. Continue to watch this MRTX, MRKR, which is probably, I'm almost ready to get out of this. And we're still short natural gas and short the E-mini S&P. All right, that wraps it up, and we'll be back. Well, tomorrow we will not be having a morning show. I have other obligations, so no morning show tomorrow on Thursday. But
Profit target hit.
And the E-mini S&P just hit its target, so we'll get out of that. And that just leaves us short natural gas. All right, everybody have a good trade day. We'll see you we'll see you Friday morning. Take care.